So this US oil analysis for Tuesday, 12th of June. Now, let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we encountered some resistance from this 200 period moving average. We had this consolidation around this 65.60. Had a brief breakdown from 65.60. Didn't quite get down towards our 64.75. Came pretty close. But we didn't quite get down towards our 64.75, from which we did see strong bullish buy side momentum, breaking above the 200 period moving average here on the daily chart. Brief consolidation, and we are seeing a bit of momentum follow through to the upside here on the US oil. So if we see this bullish buy side momentum continuation, we're looking for a test of 66.71. Successful break, from which we're looking for a move towards our 67.12. 67.73, in around 67.73. I suppose it's important to point out that we do have the 400 period moving average, which could act as a confluence and see sell side momentum return to the market, take us back down towards possibly at 67.12 or at 66.71. But if we do see this move beyond the 67.73, we're looking for a move towards that 68.19. If, however, we do encounter resistance either from where we are at present or at that 66.71, we're looking for a move back down towards that $66 barrel mark. But ultimately beyond that level, because we haven't got the 66 marked out here on the chart. Of note, beyond the 66.71 will be a move down towards our 65.60, successful break, from which we're then looking for a move down towards our 64.75. And if we do see sufficient volatility to bring us below the 64.75, I'd expect the far end of the range to be around at 63.76 here on the US oil. Now let's just have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So on this daily chart we can see, let's just get it correct. We are seeing a bit of a recovery here on the US oil after having this sharp sell-off, brief pullback, further sell-off. We've gone to this consolidation upwards here on the oil. So we'll see where we can see stronger bullish buy side momentum come back into the market, or whether this is just a retracement in the grand scheme, and we see a retracement all the way up towards the bit of a pullback all the way up towards a 69.50, from which counter some resistance, potentially head and shoulders pattern, and see a further move to down oil. So we'll see whether this retracement does take us up towards our 69.50, if we can continue to grind all the way up. At the moment, it isn't a very it's not a sharp reversal. It's not pretty much a V-shaped reversal, but the reversal seems a bit. This pullback seems a bit. Does appear a bit weak at the moment. So we'll see whether we do see a greater bullish impetus, or whether we'll continue to grind upwards before seeing further sell-side momentum come into this market. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.